the estimation of nitrogen by DUMA'S method. Let us see. Estimation of nitrogen दो मेथड से कैलकुलेट होता है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था. One is the DUMA'S method, another one is the Geldal's method. Another method is by Geldal's method, but first we will study about estimation of nitrogen by DUMA'S method. अब ये सब जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि these all come under the estimation of this category, that is quantitative analysis. ये सब किसमें आता है? They come under the calculation of quantitative analysis. अब estimation of nitrogen is particularly performed by DUMA'S method, and it is calculated. Most of the organic compounds, their calculation of the presence of nitrogen is calculated by DUMA'S method. अब इसका principle क्या है? The simple principle is that we take a known mass of an organic compound. What we take is the known mass of an organic compound. It is heated with excess of copper oxide. It is heated with excess of copper oxide. We provide, इसमें एक और चीज है. Here you have a furnace, and this copper oxide is heated in an atmosphere or in presence of carbon dioxide. This copper oxide is heated in presence or in an atmosphere of carbon dioxide. Clear? अब सीधी सी बात है, अगर कार्बन प्रेजेंट है तो वो ऑक्सीडाइज होके कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बन जाएगा. As I told you, अगर हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है तो ऑक्सीडाइज होकर के वाटर बन जाएगा, और सल्फर प्रेजेंट है तो सल्फर ऑक्सीडाइज होकर के SO2 बन जाएगा, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड बन जाएगा. Is this clear? And nitrogen gas will be set free. What? The nitrogen gas will be set free. Clear? Now let us see, go through these reactions and let us try to understand. This is the apparatus. As you can see, this is a gauge in which below we have the furnace from where we provide the heat, along with coarse amount of copper oxide, and copper oxide plus organic compound. The mixture is heated in this apparatus. In this gauge, the mixture is heated, and then after you will find that the nitrogen gas is formed and it is collected here. This is known as Skiff's nitrometer. The Skiff's nitrometer, at the base of the Skiff's nitrometer we have mercury seal. What we have is mercury seal, and the upper part is filled with KOH, that is potassium hydroxide solution. Now coming back to the method of this process, as I told you, we have, suppose, C plus carbon plus 2 CuO. Let us see what does it forms. Obviously CO2 plus 2Cu, right? In the same way, if you have hydrogen, 2H plus CuO, and what it gives you? H2O plus Cu. In the same way, you can find out, अगर आपके पास nitrogen plus CuO है, nitrogen plus CuO, तो ये आपको नाइट्रोजन तो देगा ही देगा, प्लस स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्साइड ऑफ नाइट्रोजन देगा. इट विल गिव यू नाइट्रोजन प्लस स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्साइड ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, एज यू कैन सी. क्लियर? इफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, अज्यूम करते हैं कि सपोज कोई ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है एंड दैट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इज हैविंग नाइट्रोजन. मान लो कि मेरे पास में वो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जो इसमें है, लेट इट बी CX, HY, and what you regularly call as NZ. If I assume it like this, it is CX, HY and NZ. Clear? तो इस तरीके से हम उसका complete combustion करके, after its complete combustion, we can find it out, and the nitrogen is collected particularly in this nitrometer. Clear? So you will find that the whole reaction goes on like this. CX, if I take it like this, CX, HY and Z, clear, plus 2X plus Y2 CuO, and if you heat it, clear, in presence of copper oxide. मैंने ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का सैंपल लिया, कॉपर ऑक्साइड के साथ में रिएक्ट किया और उसको मैंने फर्नेस से हीट करना शुरू किया, एंड ऑब्वियसली व्हाट इट विल गिव यू? XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2O plus Z by what you call as 2N2, है ना, along with जो substituents बनेंगे, that is 2x plus y2, and along with that copper also is obtained. नाइट्रोजन जो आपको मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, whatever amount of nitrogen is being formed, it is collected over KOH solution. KOH solution में क्यों पास कर रहे हैं नाइट्रोजन को? ताकि अगर उसमें कोई दूसरी गैसेस प्रेजेंट हैं तो रेस्ट ऑफ द गैसेस दे आर एब्जॉर्ब बाय दिस KOH solution. Clear? I mean the carbon dioxide, the water, the vapors or everything, it is absorbed. Clear? और उसके बाद जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ नाइट्रोजन है that can be calculated. So दिस apparatus, अब मैं इस apparatus को, ये तो प्रिंसिपल था इसका, अब मैं इस apparatus की पूरी फंक्शनिंग बताने जा रहा हूँ. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. सबसे पहले you have this side, as we know we are passing carbon dioxide from a carbon dioxide generator. Clear? Right? और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आप बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, सोडियम कार्बोनेट वगैरह वगैरह, किसी से भी आप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं. That carbon dioxide is passed into this furnace, and then after you know that अगर आप चाहें तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड whatever the gas जो भी आपका है, it has to be bubbled through concentrated sulfuric acid, ताकि उसमें से दूसरे कंटेंट जो है वो बाहर हो जाए, प्योर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड is obtained. Now this tube, as you can see here, you have the second part is what you rightly call as the combustion tube. After obtaining carbon dioxide, it is sent into the combustion tube. Combustion tube, this tube अगर आप देखेंगे तो it is 90 centimeter long. It is made up of hard glass and it is 90 centimeter long. The dimension of it is 90 centimeter into 2. 90 centimeter is the length and 2 centimeter is actually the breadth, the diameter. And then after, इसमें आप बहुत सारी चीजें पैक कर देते हैं. इसमें हमने ऑक्सीडाइज्ड कॉपर गेज क्यों रखा है? कॉपर गेज is added in this apparatus so as to prevent the backflow or the diffusion, backward diffusion it is commonly called as. तो उस backward diffusion को रोकने के लिए हमने इसमें कॉपर ऑक्साइड इसमें ऐड किया हुआ है. Then after heating, as you can see the result, nitrogen gas is formed. This nitrogen gas is sent into this apparatus commonly known as Skiff's nitrometer. It is sent into this apparatus commonly known as Skiff's nitrometer. Clear? And you will find इसमें जो KOH हमने डाला है, this KOH is 40% potassium hydroxide solution. The KOH added is 40% potassium hydroxide solution. Clear? Right? है ना? अच्छा, इसमें हमने मरकरी क्यों डाली है? मरकरी इसलिए डाली है ताकि वो KOH के बैकफ्लो को रोक दे और ये जो है वो आपस में कंबशन ना कर ले. तो that is why mercury is being added here. Now see, इस प्रोसेस में एक खास बात है. What? In DUMA'S method, both if you will see, in DUMA'S method, both CO2 and H2O is formed. In DUMA'S method, both carbon dioxide and water is being formed during the process of combustion, but they are being absorbed by, what? They are absorbed by KOH solution. So basically it is being absorbed by the KOH, potassium hydroxide solution. Clear? And then after, as you can see, the nitrogen, pure nitrogen is obtained at the upper part. Clear? So this is what you rightly commonly call as DUMA'S method, that is estimation of nitrogen.